Thanks for your patience. I am trying to describe everything what I am did for your issues to recovery the GM profile or business profile. Here the page of support.google.com help center. I am trying to contact the support by providing all the information that you provide me. Okay, my business profile is not verified. Yes. Is your business profile location in the European? No. Okay, which of the following best describe your business? My business has a physical location which customers can visit. Okay, then what is the relation to the business? I own this business. What is the name? Then selling. Please provide a phone number we can reach. Like I have given the phone number. What is the email address? I have provided the email number, and this is the also email number, same email number that is attached on Google My Business. Okay, what is the business profile ID? Actually I did not find this profile ID, so I am just waiting for this ID. Okay, then further details about your issue. My GMB is verified, but for further verification Google asked for my info, so I was submitted a record video, but after I submitted, Google support team did not respond to my issues for the last 2 months. Okay, then this is not necessary. Then I picture of the outside of your business which shows clear signals. Then I uploaded a image that you provided me before. Then again they ask for picture of the outside of your business which shows address, markets, street name, numbers, but you have not given any such this kind of picture. That's why I am waiting for from you to give this type of image so I can upload here. Okay, don't need any utility bill because it is not necessary. Only tick mark is necessary. This is not necessary, and also this is not necessary, but please provide the website. That is okay. We can provide our business on here, our business website on here. Okay, no problem. What country your business profile is located? United States. Please provide a link to your company information on the Better Bureau, Better Business Bureau, Triple V. Then I have already submitted our Triple V account. Then which of these best describe your problem? Others, and then I have specify the problem. My GMB is verified, but for the verification response last 2 months is not. That's I have submitted the same word, this same word, copy and paste on here. Okay, then we need there is no. Okay, here. Okay, then please fill out the form as we are fully and accurately as possible. Then yes, then I consent to having my information shared. Okay, then submitted. But before submitted I have need two things from you. One thing is business profile ID, and other things is picture of the outside of your business which shows address, markers, street name, and numbers of landmark. Okay, so I am trying to clear everything that we don't need any business license on landowner. Just we fill up this page or from, then we can easily contact on the support of Google support team. Maybe after 5 working or 7 days Google contact with you to help you or recover the problem. Okay.